Hello there, YouTube. Today is Thursday. I think it's May 20th. I had yesterday off, but worked all day today. But look how nice it is out. I had to get out and, what is it, 6:10. I had to get out and go for a ride. I'm back. I got the Hero 9 again. And I stopped using it because it's so heavy. With the media mod, it's just even heavier. But I bought a GoPro, not even a GoPro remote. I forgot it's a generic brand remote that works with the Hero 9. And it's $49 versus the GoPro $79. And it works perfect. I just paired it. It's working great. You can see the videos going because the video camera's flashing. The wireless is on because it's connected to the GoPro, and that's probably a still camera, but you can see the videos playing because it's blinking. And it was like $30 cheaper than the GoPro remote. I swore I'd never buy the GoPro remote because I already got one, and I wasn't going to buy a separate one for $79 to work with the Hero 9, but I found a generic one. So if you're interested, let me know. I get it from Amazon. Oh, I forgot what the Topco or something like that. Was really weird, but it works perfect. Looks just like it, but it doesn't have the screen where you can see everything, which I'm fine with. $49 versus $79. I already bought the expensive Hero 9 that's huge. It's like so much bigger than the Hero 7 Black, and it's almost kind of a pain that it's so big because it's heavy. But it does take good video. But my 7 takes good video too. I gotta put my shield, the little visor down. So I'm out on the Gold Wing just for a ride. It's a beautiful day. I don't know what the temp is. It says 74. It's warmer than that. Just got out of the garage, so it's I got my glasses on. I didn't put my contacts in. So I'm out for a little bit of a ride, enjoying a nice day that's not raining. First day it didn't rain. Watch, I'll turn it off, see what happens. Bye. Oh, another thing I did, I have the media mod, but it adds even more weight to this thing. So I'm using my old remote brick, the mic adapter, and I'm plugged into that. So I need a little bit. I guess it wouldn't make it that much difference weight on your helmet with the media mod, but I'm just trying it. Hopefully it should work. I mean, I think earlier versions of the Hero 9 didn't work with the mic adapter, but I got 2.51, so I think it works. So if I don't have any voice, I won't say it. I won't use it. Traffic is horrible. I can't wait to get out of this area. So I just live right off of Crystal Falls, and it's so hard to even get on Crystal Falls. There's non-stop traffic coming from one direction, people coming home. Then when they hit a stoplight way down the street, then the other one comes the other direction, so you can't get out. You can sit there for 10 minutes trying to get out on the road, just to get out of my neighborhood. So many people here now, it's just kind of I'm ready to go. I'm ready to move. We've had so much rain, they're not doing anything on my house up there because they can't get in. It's all solid mud. Bah. You know what I've been thinking about? I haven't thought seriously, but what the thoughts that come into my head is trading, since I have 90,800, well, I gotta scratch my nose. Got 90,000, almost 91,000 on this, and it still purrs like a kitten. But I've been thinking about trading both of them in. My wife would kill me for a new, like 2021, 2022 Goldwing trike, like a oh, I really like the California sidecar, CSC, the rear end of the CSC on the new, and I'd really like to, think it would be really cool to have an automatic, so you could still paddle shift like if you pulled the trailer. But I think that would be really cool. But I kind of like having both of them because I like riding both of them. And I think this thing will actually still outlive me, even with almost 91,000 on it. Because I change the oil every 4,000 miles. So it's gonna last a long time. But I thought about that because I really like the new Goldwing. Now that they've increased the size of the trunk, you know, they made the tour packs really small in the 18s and 19s, and I think in the 20 they made them bigger so you could fit 2 full-size helmets in there, so I think they're bigger. So that would be kind of cool. But I do like the storage in the front of the Spider, the storage in the tour pack, and the side saddlebags. So that's kind of cool having all that space, because I could travel on my own and never have to strap anything to the back seat. Well, I wouldn't have to now anyway, because I always stuck that great big GoPro, or that great big drone in the back, the Phantom 4, and now I got that little bitty one, so I'd have more room. Anyway, I just thinking, I probably won't do it. My wife says if I buy any more toys, I'm done. So she'd get really mad, so I probably won't. I'm just thinking about it. Bye.